Throughout history, nearly everyone has dreamed of longevity, and the emperors in Chinese history also looked for panacea for immortality. As life quality improves, the average lifespan has been increased accordingly. The key to a long and healthy life lies not just in getting enough sleep and exercise, but also in sticking to a balanced diet. As the saying goes, food is the paramount necessity of the people, while a balanced diet, ensuring the intake of essential nutrients, is a prerequisite for longevity. But how to eat a balanced diet? Please look at the following 10 points. Hello, this is Margaret from Sangu, the Traditional Chinese Medicine Hospital. Working in the Hospital of Traditional Chinese Medicine for over a year, I've accumulated a rich experience in how to keep healthy by traditional Chinese medicine, and want to share this knowledge with you. First, ensure an adequate intake of vegetables, fruits, low-fat dairy products every day. Limited the consumption of foods high in saturated fats. Second, eat a moderate amount of nuts, poultry, fish, and whole grains. Third, control the intake of desserts, high-sodium foods, sugary beverages, and red meat. Fourth, when making porridge, add some coarse grains to it, such as corn, wheat, or barley, and consider adding various legumes like red beans, soybeans, and black beans. Fifth, obtain high-quality protein from pork, beef, lamb, seafood, and poultry like chicken, duck, and fish. Eat for a fit-sized portion every day and avoid cooking them through frying or smoking. Consume at least 500 grams of vegetables daily, especially green vegetables such as cucumbers. Seventh, have a piece of fruit between meals like apples, pears, or grapefruits. And if possible, drink a cup of low-fat yogurt a day. The probiotics it contains help stabilize the gut microbiota. Eat a small handful of nuts every day, such as pine nuts, sunflower seeds, or cashews, preferably in their natural states. Ninth, substitute animal fats with plant fats like olive oil, peanut oil, and rapeseed oil. However, daily oil consumption should not exceed 25 millimeters. Finally, prioritize a light and easily digestible diet, avoiding excessive intake of calories and fats. This approach helps reduce the burden on the digestive system and the metabolism, and maintaining blood vessels clean. Okay, that's all for today's video. Thanks for your time. Like and follow us for better protecting you and your family health. And there are links of our past videos for your watching.